South Rose. First time opening. Someone's in the window smash. First time inside this property, we're doing the electrical, everything electrical brand new, and the HVAC system brand new. I just wanted to take a quick measurements so I could kind of draw this out back in my house. I wonder if this is detached. Yeah, or I don't know. Oh, he's got an outhouse or a coach house. Oh, he said he had double that. I think this ladder is part of it. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's a garage, I guess. It's a big garage. Let's see. So let's see how wide this property is. usually I grab a quick print just so that I can go home and figure things out later. This measure takes not even that long. It's just at the time. Wow. 16. 18 right here. $18 by 11. 18 by 11, and then over here, obviously we know it's 18 wide. What is this? I don't know what the guy's planning on doing here. Okay. Or what he's planning on doing here. It's probably a bedroom here. Where's this guy? Well, let's at least see how long this room is. And then we'll figure out what he wants to do later. $11. Yeah, let's say 11. $11 by 7. 11 by 7. With the hallway being 3 feet wide. And then the bathroom right here. Six and a half. So 11 and then 6.5, and then we have the stairwell here. 7. And then you see it kind of moves in just a hair more. It's the stairwell. I don't know what he's planning on doing here. We'll at least measure up to here. 12. By 8. And then obviously this is whatever's left in the paper. Let's see upstairs. Oh, it's kind of big upstairs. It's got a bathroom here. $5.5. $5.5 by 9. He might build this out right here. I gotta ask him. Nice closet. Let's check the basement where the ductwork's gonna go. Oh, the guy's framing still. You know, sometimes I be thinking I'm gonna find something I'm not supposed to, like a dead body or something. When you open up those old doors. Oh man, the utility room is gonna have to move. It can't go over here. Oh, this is pretty cool. I'm out there. All right, so this is the one perk about being the HVAC guy, right? And the electric guy. Technically, I can keep this. It doesn't look that old. It doesn't look that old. Oh look, this valve right here is like $200 right here. Automatic air bleeder, and then the pressure regulator, and then the pressure controls inside of it. Yeah, I get to keep this. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I don't know. Oh, okay, they at least disconnected it. Yep. So anyway, so this obviously has to move because the stairwell is here. You know, obviously you can't run the ductwork across. Or we'll see. We're just gonna have to move this. It can't be in the same. It's gonna have to go over there. This is gonna have to end up being the utility room right here. Oh, that's good news. Okay. Okay. And then the panel. Oh, the panel in the service, because technically the electric's gonna be brand new too. Well, might as well. I'm here, right? 11. Almost the same as upstairs. I'm sure it's the same width. So this would be that room upstairs that's kind of goofy. This would be that bedroom. This would be technically the bathroom upstairs. Simple design, simple design. So anyway, so I'll take these measurements and I'll convert it into like a graph paper so I can get a precise material list, because materials are pretty pricey nowadays. So anyway, so this is the first time I even come in here, and normally this is the kind of things that I look for. And then, yeah, I'm doing the electrical and the HVAC on this one. I'm gonna try to have a whole video log on this. I'm gonna create a folder just for this property, because I always say I'm gonna do them, but I never do. And usually a lot of guys, well, not a lot of guys, just the guys around me, they be saying, why don't I show more? So today we're gonna do more. Technically, I get to take these guys too. Technically. But usually they're heavy as hell. Those are big radiators. And I think that's it. That's it. I get to get out of here now. Yeah, that was the first time actually coming into this property. And then knowing me, I probably lost the key already. We're in the south side of Chicago. Yup, south side of Chicago. But you get some areas that are actually kind of nice. You get some areas that are goofy, and some areas are actually nice. It's like 77.